mountain, and in that mountain there was iron mineral. In medieval times, people from Mondragon took the mineral and produced steel products, a very good steel, very famous. So we come from this industrial tradition. This company, in the 40s, or in the 30s, 40s, 50s, they were the biggest in the province. They were manufacturing keys, locks, during the war weapon, and they had a school. At that time it was quite normal. A big company having big profits, paying low salaries, and they gave all the kind of services to the workers. Unión Cerrera had a swimming pool in the town of Mondragon. My two grandfathers were working in the Unión Cerrera, so my father used the swimming pool. The Unión Cerrera had a supermarket with lower prices for the workers and their families. And Unión Cerrera had a school. If we check this in Google, this is industrial paternalism. Industrial paternalism. The school was only for the relatives of the workers of Unión Cerrera. Only for men. So only for brothers and sons of the workers. In 1943, Arizmendi is going to talk to the owners and he's going to ask them, please open the school to everybody. But the proprietors said, no, this is for us. And no was not the end of the process, but Arizmendi met the authorities of the town, people that had money, and he convinced them to create another school. And he did it. In 1943, another vocational school. The name was Escuela Profesional at that time. Open to everybody. Electricity, mechanics, hydraulic. What's the name of the Escuela Profesional today? Mondragon University. So, the university, 1943, the priest. Okay? We have sports activities, cultural activities, thanks to Arizmendi. We have a school open to everybody. It's not enough. He's going to give a little talk, 20 minutes of a speech to the students, professors, and staff every day. And he's going to convince some boys that were around him organizing the activities to study not just this level, the vocational level, but to study engineering. That was impossible in the town. 99% of the society had not enough resources to go to university. So Arizmendi had a contact in a Spanish university, in the Zaragoza University, and he reached an agreement with the university. They could study living and working in the town of Mondragon. And Arizmendi gave them a teacher from the Escuela Profesional every night. So they studied and worked in the town of Mondragon. They went to the university only 15 days per year to do the exams, and so they were engineers. Thanks to Arizmendi, cultural activities, education, sport activities, but what about work? Because work was very important for Arizmendi. Arizmendi said that work is the way we develop ourselves. When I'm working, I'm implementing my skills, my competences, and I become an integral person. Arizmendi also said, why we work? We work because we have to improve the society. That's the reason to work. And the third reason of the importance of work was, Arizmendi said, God did the world, but the world is not finished. We have to help God to complete the world. How? Working. So factories, companies at that time, were providers of jobs, and Arizmendi was not happy with the companies at that time in the town of Mondragon. And he tried to transform the companies into fairer companies, into more human companies. And for that, the strategy was to give conferences. First in the town of Mondragon, then in the towns near Mondragon. 10 years giving conferences. In the early 50s, Arizmendi was going to say, well, stop. What are the results of this strategy? A lot of people have attended my conferences. They agree with my ideas, but no one has changed her company. This is about a strategy. And Arizmendi is going to focus